Did you know your everyday skills can help you earn extra money without starting a business? Here are 5 practical ways to turn what you already know into micro income streams. To get started, curate digital tools that help people solve problems, like the best budgeting apps or helpful YouTube channels. Many people feel overwhelmed by choices and need someone to organize what works. You can sell these resource packs online and earn money by sharing your knowledge. You do not need to create new content from scratch. Just organize and recommend helpful tools. Platforms like Gumroad or Payhip make it easy to share your packs with others. People are willing to pay for shortcuts that save them time and effort. By helping others find the right tools, you turn your experience into a small but steady income stream. Every sale can add up over time. This is a simple way to start earning extra money with skills you already have. Recommendation number 2. Set up done-for-you systems for people who need help with tasks. You could create meal planners, organize digital files, or set up automatic savings plans for others. These services are quick for you, but valuable for someone else. Offer your help on social media or task platforms, and charge a small fee for each job. People appreciate having things done for them, especially if they are busy. The money you earn can be used to reach your financial goals. Providing these services saves others time and gives you extra income. It is a practical way to use your skills without a big time commitment. Each task completed is a step closer to your own goals. And number 3, review products in a trusted niche you know well, like home gadgets or helpful tech. You can share honest reviews on YouTube or blogs and join affiliate programs. When people buy through your links, you earn a small commission. You do not need a huge audience to start earning as a micro-influencer. Your real-world experience makes your advice valuable to others. Over time, this can become a steady source of extra income. Reviewing products helps others make smart choices and helps you earn money. It is a creative way to use your knowledge and interests. Every review can bring in a little more to help your finances. Number 4. License your knowledge by creating guides or checklists for small teams. For example, you could write tips for managing remote teams or making professional emails. Sell these documents directly to local businesses or through online marketplaces. Small companies often need ready-to-use resources and will pay for your experience. You only need to create each guide once, but you can sell it many times. This turns your past experience into ongoing income. Licensing your knowledge helps others and gives you a new way to earn. It is a smart way to use what you already know. Each sale can help you reach your financial goals faster. Finally, host online office hours where people can ask you questions about a topic you know. Use a free scheduling tool to offer short calls, like helping with podcasts or organizing finances. People pay for quick answers and real-time support. Offering office hours is flexible and easy to start. You help others solve problems and make progress on your own goals. Every call can bring you closer to financial freedom. You do not have to prepare a full class. Just be ready to help with one problem at a time. This makes your knowledge feel like a helpful service. Each session is a chance to earn extra money for your savings or 401k. As a recap, here are 5 smart ways to turn your hidden skills into micro-income streams. Curate digital tools, set up simple systems, review products, license your knowledge, and host online office hours. Each idea uses what you already know and can fit into your routine. You do not need to make big changes to see results. These steps can help you earn extra money and boost your 401k. Check back on this channel, the Zennial Files, for future advice.